In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for law firm marketing topics fast and easy. Let's dive right into it and make sure you're using this powerful tool to your firm's advantage. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Once you're there, search for Google Trends. It's typically the first link that appears. Click on that, and you'll find yourself on the Google Trends homepage. Now, on the homepage, you'll see an option labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in Explore, it's time to enter your core legal keywords. Think about broad legal service phrases relevant to your practice. Terms like personal injury lawyer, estate planning attorney, or divorce lawyer are perfect examples. By entering these keywords, you're beginning the process of uncovering what people are interested in and searching for online. Once you've typed in your keyword, just press Enter. Google Trends will then show you how popular your chosen keyword is over time. To make your analysis even more insightful, you can compare other related keywords by clicking on the plus icon. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to see side-by-side comparisons of different search terms, helping you understand which topics might be trending more than others. Next up, let's set some filters to tailor the results to your needs. You can adjust the location settings so that they target a specific state, city, or region where your law firm operates. By doing this, you're honing in on trends that are directly relevant to your market area. Additionally, consider setting the time range filter. To grasp long-term trends, look at data from the past 12 months. If you're seeking more current topics, the last 30 days might be ideal. Also, select the Law and Government category to narrow your search to relevant areas. When you're analyzing the data, pay close attention to the Interest Over Time chart. This is where you'll notice any spikes in search volume. Such spikes can signify seasonal trends or news-related opportunities, such as the implementation of new laws or high-profile cases. For example, if you notice a sharp increase in searches for employment lawyers, it might be due to recent labor regulation changes. As you scroll further down, you'll find the Related Queries section. Here, you'll see a list of rising and top queries. Focus on those that indicate high intent, meaning people actively seeking legal assistance, and ensure they relate to services you offer. For instance, queries like car accident lawyer near me or how to file a personal injury claim are goldmines for personal injury attorneys. Finally, make sure to export your findings. Click on Download CSV to save the related queries. With this data, you can create a comprehensive spreadsheet to aid in planning your marketing strategy. Use it to inform blog posts, design landing pages, structure PPC campaigns, and generate engaging social media content. And there you have it, a streamlined, effective way to use Google Trends to boost your law firm's marketing efforts.